It's very steep. Basically. And Grandma is going backwards with a wheelchair. I guess the boys are helping her down. Well, I guess this is like a flower garden with a restaurant. Yeah, a flower garden with restaurant. And that's where steep hill. See how pretty. I guess they got more down there, but it's like a dead, looks like a dirt road after that. I forgot, what are these? Ponies? No, not ponies. Start with a P. Hey guys, today we are at Buwakan ni Alejandra, and this is about 700 square meter garden located at Balamban, about an hour from Cebu City. It features approximately about 200 kinds of flora and fauna. Yeah, foggy. We're up on a hill, mountain in Cebu. They said it's chilly right now. It's probably, I don't know how many degrees this is right now. It's chilly. She said at night it's cold. No air conditioning here. They call this a Mickey Mouse plant. I'm not sure what it is really, the real name, but you touch it, this part is very soft. Like there's a balloon and like air in there. So that's first I've seen that kind of flower. They had plenty of them. All the way up there. They are so big. This is about, I mean, it's like the size of a basketball. I guess I couldn't really, I don't have a measurement, but it's like a freaking size of a basketball. If I want to compare the sizes. And this, wait, I thought they tie this thing, but this is actually a plant. I guess this is the flower. I saw them upstairs. I thought they just have some kind of a for the rope, but I don't know. That's cute. I mean, I'm alright. These are morning glories, right? But it's just different.
Heavenly blue.
Heavenly blue. Oh yeah. Look at that snail hiding. Brian said those are heavenly blue. Morning glory. Very pretty. Well, it was a very beautiful park. I would sum it up as a Keukonhof of Cebu City. It only cost us 75 pesos or $1.50 per person to see this beautiful park. So I suggest if you ever come to Cebu City in the Philippines, you need to come see this place. It is really amazing. Lunch was also delicious, and of course the halo is excellent. That was the best halo I ever had.
What was that? Sticky rice.
Which is called?
The kind of rice I cook at home, sticky rice.
No, it's called suman.
Oh, he's not happy.